I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select PyForms as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, then go to the PyForms page and fill it with data to retrieve it. PyForms fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Uncanny Automator. Give here the Uncanny Automator webhook URL. To proceed, please navigate to the dashboard of Uncanny Automator. Add new. Choose recipe type. Now choose the trigger webhooks. Receive data from a webhook. To fetch the data, please copy the webhook URL and click Get Sample. Then paste the webhook URL on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features of conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next, finish and save it. Go to your Uncanny Automator site. You can see that the data has been fetched successfully. Use these fields. Save it. Add an action. You can select the action you want to take. I have chosen MailerLite. Add a subscriber to a group. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Active the recipe. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.